This is Mike with Rogue Overland.
And this is Nick with Rogue Overland. And we're going to explain why you need a Bubba rope over that cheap yellow strap.
And then we're going to demonstrate hooking it up to 2 trucks and doing a proper recovery. Because the standard yellow strap is not designed to shock load, the lighter towing exterior in this scenario doesn't have enough power and weight to pull the heavier stock Tacoma. Shock loading the yellow strap to get more pulling power not only isn't safe, but also extremely hard on both vehicles and their drivers. Bubba rope is ideal for 4x4 Jeeps, trucks, ATVs, UTVs, and commercial use. It has 100% double braided nylon rope, gatorized vinyl road armor coating. It is the only rope that uses exact US military specs for splicing and coatings. It is water, UV, and abrasive resistance, has the highest certified braking strengths available, and includes a free mesh carrying case. And finally, it's 100% made in the USA. Now let's try this same recovery scenario with a Power Stretch off-road recovery rope made by Bubba Rope. Utilizing power gain technology, the rope stretches uniformly, allowing more power to be transferred to get your truck unstuck. What does that mean? It gives the lighter exterior a force multiplier to pull the heavier Tacoma out, without shock loading either vehicle or drivers.
Hi, this is Rebecca from Bubba Rope. Thank you for watching this instructional video from Rogue Overland. For more information about our products, visit bubbarope.com or give us a call. Bubba Rope, a faster, smarter, safer way to get your truck unstuck. We guarantee it.